So the camera died, but we got the short block up on the stand. We got pistons. Plugs are all in. I was about to do the baffle in the pickup, but I took a little break for dinner, so I just wrapped it up like this. Now I'm gonna seal it off and probably plasti wrap. I'm so used to saying plasti gauge. Probably wrap it in plastic and call it a night once I get her sealed up. But we'll see how this goes here. Might end up staying in it a little longer. Pretty sore from the day though. But switching to time lapse.